Alright, so I have a new plan. Since Sheep Pit is not working very well, I'm probably gonna regret that. Yes, I do have Eyes of Ender end frames in my freaking thingy. I'm gonna have to get wood and make a farm, get sheep, you know, the essentials. What is this? So this has looting, sharpness, and breaking. Fire aspect, looting, knockback. This has looting, sharpness, and breaking. Yeah, this one's a lot better. Alright. Well, anyway. First thing, get diamonds. Second thing, craft an axe. Axe. Third thing, go find tweez. Find tweez. Yes, tweez. And get a bunch of wood. Alright, now we got sticks. I need to make fence to make sheep farm. And to make sheep farm, I need fence, which I should have enough stuffers. That's good enough. 61, 60, exactly 64. So yeah, we're just gonna get building. I don't know, I've got a song stuck in my head and it's really, 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 really bad. Beep boop. Beep boop. Ba 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 ba. Bye bye bye. Alright, hit the bed sack thingy. And yeah, finish this thing up. Alright, I fixed it up. Yeah, I need it. And I'm stuck. Great. Eat. Alright. Alright. Now, I need to get trapdoor. So, speed. Alright. Speed, boost. Trapdoor. Not trapdoor, fence gate. Take fence gate. Yoink the, yeah, this is just gonna be, actually, never mind, whatever, I don't have the axe in my inventory at this moment, so we are just gonna yoink that right there. Now I need to find some freaking, oh, and it seems that my, my thing is, yeah. There are no sheep around in this area. Okay, well, this is just great. Sheep moment, or sheep finding moment, I don't know. Alright, found 2 sheep. Now I get to mass breed them until they give me the, OP items for the rest of the game. Yes. Small sheeper. And then, yeah. Anyway, let's get, beep, bop, boop. I said boop. Alright, so it seems I've got enchanting tables, Eyes of Ender, and netherite. Alright. Now I need to make smith table. If I have any iron, which it seems I don't. Please. Okay, I have blocks of... I see. Hang on. I have 2 iron. Holds up. Okay. Take this. And then take this. Mwahaha. See? The power of overpowered items. Now it's a netherite sword. And a netherite axe. And, netherite shovel. And netherite... I'm just kidding. I gotta take off my armor. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Yeet. Alright. It's netherite this, netherite this, netherite this, netherite, hold up. Oh god. I'm choking on air. I'm choking on air. Yeah, good job, me. Okay, I have time to hit the hay. I said hit the hay. I said go to bed. It's literally nighttime. Go to bed. Alright. Now I have full netherite gear. Besides my boots. I need to put my boots on. Actually, I need to put all my armor on. Because, like, yeah. Just like one piece of my armor is enchanted. Okay, we're just not gonna... Sure. Okay, we're just gonna get, like, half of this stuff is, like, trash and, like, overpowered items. So we're just gonna go yeet, 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 yeet. Yeah. Alright, now we have our lapis and my inventory isn't such a crap hole. Let's just, enchant some of this. Boots. Blast protection, 1, meh. Blast protection. Blast protection. Well, it should be, like, projectile protection, but whatever. And then, yeah, blast protection. Alright, we are upgrading. We should make gapples, but I only have like 6 iron or 6 stuff. I only have 6 gold right at this minute, and yeah, I should have downloaded other add-ons, but no, we're not going to get too over OP. So where are my shears? Well, there's my bucket. I'm going to need that for the fight. I also need a bow with a bunch of arrows, which I think you can get from the sheep. So, yeah, it's all a matter of chance, and yeah. Okay, hang on, sorry. And I just got stuck in a hole again. Where are we at? We at 9 minutes? Okay. shearing where did my sheep go? Wait, how did they get out? Ow. Probably because they got out by freaking literally walking out. Yeah, good job, me. Good freaking job, me. Good job building a good, secure, stable for your sheepers. I don't know. And I have no wheat on me. Great. Okay, first thing. Okay, get the wheat. Get the wheat. Alright. Went into the sheep pit again. Alright, now I just need to freaking herd these bastards back in here. Yo, sheep. I know you want some of this. Mwahaha, now you're trapped in here forever. I got a diamond hoe, really? Seriously, that's the best you can do? I guess I'm not going to the nether after all. Not the nether, the freaking, the end anytime soon. Because, yeah. Hey, what did you mean you didn't want to follow me? I should probably not be holding this. I'm getting literally everything but gold. I got bedrock, but not gold. Literally. Bedrock. What the actual frick am I gonna do with bedrock? Well, isn't this dandy? I got blaze rods, but not gold. I'm getting literally everything else besides gold. Are you guys ready to breed yet, or incest breed? I don't know, man. Oh, I did not realize. Okay.